Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful beat on my client for C16. So if you want to see how I got it, just continue watching. So to start, of course, you guys know that I always fill in the brows first, and I'm going to be using an eyeshadow. I'm using the shade Mino from the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill in her eyebrows with that shade. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC concealer in NW35. You guys know, if you've seen my other videos, you know that I have the palette that you can create at MAC. So yeah, I'm going to be using NW35 to clean up her brows. So now that I've finished her brows, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to tap off the extra concealer just so that I get a nice even base. And then I'm going to go ahead and set her eyelids with my spun powder. So for her eyes today, she decided that she just wanted glitter. So I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to apply that kind of like, say if I were like to be cutting a crease, that's how I'm going to apply the glitter glue. And I'm going to just be using a gold and blue glitter today. So half and half on her eyelids. These glitters are actually from Amazon. If you've seen my previous video where I did a carnival makeup look, that is where like the glitters came with those face gems. So you can find that off Amazon, or if you have your own glitter that you like, you can, you know, go ahead and substitute that. And then of course for her eyeliner, I'm going to go in with my NYX black liquid liner. Of course this is my favorite. I use it in almost all of my videos and on all of my clients. So to start on her face, as primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm just using a disposable makeup wedge, and I'm just applying that all over her face. So she did mention to me that she wanted white eyeliner under her eyes, so I'm using my NYX gel liner in white to do that. I really like these eyeliners because they glide really smoothly, and I also do have it in black, so yeah. Now moving on to foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I mixed two shades together, so I mixed shade 368 and 355, and I'm just gonna go ahead with my beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques beauty blender, and I'm just blending that out all over her face. And for concealer, I'm going to be going back in with the MAC NW35 to highlight her face. I'm going to put it under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, her chin, and also her forehead. And to contour her face today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm going to be using the shade Espresso. Then I'm just going to go ahead and start blending the edges of the concealer out. So when it comes to blending out concealers, I've learned and I like to start from the bottom and then work my way up to the inner corner of the eye. This just helps like the concealer blend much better with the foundation, because like, you know, you'll go back in and like blend that line that's there, so it's not like a harsh line in between the foundation, the contour, and the highlight. So that is what I like to do. I like to start from the outer corner first and then make my way in, especially when it comes to like under her eyes. In here, as you can see, I'm going back in with a way smaller brush, and then I'm just going to pat under her eyes. Like, I like to ask my clients to look up, try not to look down, and I'm trying to get the concealer as flat and as creaseless as possible so that when I set, I don't have any problems. And then here I'm just going back in with the same beauty blender that has some of her foundation on it, and I'm just blending out the edges of the concealer, you know, making everything nice and seamless. And here you can see she's just looking up, and then I'm taking my black opal setting powder in medium light, and I'm just setting like all of her highlighted areas. So now I'm just going in and I'm blending out her contour on both sides, and then to dust off any excess powder, I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses powder in the shade Chestnut. And I actually got these from the beauty supply store, and they seem to work pretty good. Like, I really like them. Obviously I'm going to continue. I got a bunch of different brands and shades, but I'm going to see how I like them. So far they're really good. So now I'm going to go in and I'm just going to set the cream contour that I applied earlier. And I think I'm using the last two shades in my BH Cosmetics powder contour palette. So to highlight her face today, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. And I'm applying this to like her cheekbones, her nose, and her brow bone. So I'm just going to go ahead and set her face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Just going to pat her face a little bit so, you know, everything is set in and great. And then I'm going to just go ahead and apply some lip gloss to her lips. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love recording client videos. Like, this is like my new thing now. I love it. So yeah, if you need your makeup done, I'm located in Brooklyn. I'm gonna leave all my social medias down below for you to follow, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.